The bill seeks to make provisions for the introduction of electronic monitoring of persons at different stages of the criminal justice process and as a condition of a protection order. The bill was already passed in the upper house with amendments, and government expected smooth sailing in the lower house, but it was not to be. Opposition MP Colm Imbert had concerns about the 16-year age requirement.
I don't understand this government. A big song and dance about treating children in a particular way, and now you want to put an electronic bracelet on a child, and you don't want to explain to them the significance of this and what will happen to them when they go outside the restricted zone, Mr. Speaker. Under no circumstances can we on this side agree to this, Mr. Speaker.
However, these concerns were quickly brushed off by Justice Minister Herbert Volney, and the motion was eventually passed with all the opposition members present voting against. Up next was the Children's Bill amendment, and again, Mr. Imbert had concerns.
These amendments create all sorts of problems for us on this side. We are very uncomfortable with the whole question of weakening the legislation with respect to child pornography. We are very uncomfortable with the whole question of changing the question of suffocation of a child, Mr. Speaker. It's really putting us in a difficult position.
Mr. Imbert assured that although the amendments are flawed and would create loopholes for offenders to get off, the opposition would still vote in favor. The Children's Bill was then passed. Both bills will now go to President Professor George Maxwell Richards to be proclaimed as law. For CNC3, I am Chester Sembrano.